can you write 10 high-quality, research-backed, original, accurate SEO long-form blogs in one day? If we were talking human output, this would be absolutely impossible without an army of writers. And even then, pretty difficult. I used to run a writing agency. I know this. Human-only content creation has been one of the most difficult parts of running any kind of agency or doing any services that involve content writing. Till now. Content at Scale is the first AI platform that writes research-backed, high-quality, original, long-form SEO blogs. And yes, I generated 10 in a single day with Content at Scale. This is the story. So first, I did the keyword research. I collected the keywords that I'm going to use, and that was all I needed to put into our tool. With Content at Scale 2.0, something that's different is you do not need to give the tool additional context now. You can literally just feed it a keyword, an existing blog post URL, a podcast episode, a YouTube video, a custom audio file, or a keyword, and let the tool do its magic. That's because our NLP and semantic analysis actually looks at top-ranking content and then rewrites it for you to be 100% original. You don't want to mess that up. It's such a good fine-tuned process now that if you add context, you might actually steer the AI wrong. Make sure you're thinking correctly. You want to compete against the top result in SERPs. That's what our AI writer was built for. So you're not using this to write homepage copy. You're not using this to write a sales letter. You're using this to rank in the top of Google and compete against what Google is actually ranking. So to get the process started of writing with our AI, once I'm in the project, I click on Add Content, that big purple button, and then I'm choosing from a keyword, clicking Next. I'm going to upload my CSV, so I'm going to click that paperclip icon, and then I'm going to add my CSV, and in the next step, select my keyword column. And I'm going to save it to the content planner. Immediately, the app started writing the posts, and I had real-time progress updates about where it was at. And within 10 minutes, all of these blogs were written. Let's scroll through one of these pieces. You can see it has a table of contents. It has embedded click to tweets. The sentences are actually written really well. I would say some of these sentences read better than something I could write humanly. You get the best AI writer for long form content, as you can see here from this article. Because if you think about it, AI has access to billions of pieces of data. And as a human, we will never have that capability. So therefore, it knows proper sentence structure. It knows grammar. It can find and pull together any fact. And with the AI writing stack that we have specifically, now we don't believe in publishing straight from AI because then you'll get lost in the content sea. You want to add your personal touch. And that's why we recommend using our proven craft framework where you are cutting the fluff, you're reviewing and optimizing the content, you're adding images and visuals, you're fact-checking the content, and you're trust building with your own personal story and your clients' stories. With Content at Scale 2.0, our goal is that your time in the editing process is as little as it can be so you can get back to important things. That's why we're working on our tool actually doing pieces of the craft framework for you, down to fact-checking and research-backed content. With our new quality updates and the ability to write better content than ever, rolling out as of late March 2023, Content at Scale is the most trusted solution for AI SEO writing. You can get research-backed, undetectable, original, long-form content with our AI writing software. And it's not just another ChatGPT API call. We actually have a proprietary stack of technology that includes semantic analysis, where our software is looking at what's in the top of Google and rewriting content based on that. So you get the most possibility out of writing content that will rank in the top of Google for your keyword. You no longer have to train your writer on SEO. They have the SEO checklist right there in the app, and all they simply have to do is follow it. If you're an agency and you're looking to resell this, we're seeing agencies cut their cost by 9x, if not more, and increase their profit margin that much by introducing AI as the writer for their SEO content. And for the business owner, the affiliate, site publisher, you no longer have to go through the headache of finding, hiring, training, and managing SEO writers. You can simply give your writer this tool, have them run it, and within an hour, they can edit and publish an amazing blog that'll meet all the SEO requirements. Try us out today and see how much time and money you start to save by switching over to AI for your SEO content writing.